Jamie from Shanti Kai with a quick tip for you on our Mars and Venus Companion Essence pairing for Valentine's Day. So our Mars essence is very fiery and it inspires passion and movement. When you think of Mars, you think of the chariot, the fiery, fast energy coming at you. It can be warlike, but it can also be very necessary in order to defend yourself or to inspire action. Whereas Venus is, very creative and romantic. It inspires passion, but it's softer and it helps you to harmonize more. So these two, when paired together, can be really good within your existing relationships. If you want to inspire more compatibility or more harmony within that male-female dynamic or masculine-feminine dynamic, either within your relationships or within yourself. Also are very much just for anybody looking to balance more the two sides of themselves, the creative feminine and masculine or analytical, right? So bringing these two together helps you to create more wholeness within the self.